Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can create a megaphone sound effect. So I already have a video that will be added, so you can listen for this original sound that I have.
When things happen, we're very quick to assume.
Alright, so I'm going to create a megaphone sound from this video. So you are just going to click on the clip and then select the voice effect. Just scroll to the right until you find a voice effect. Just click on it and scroll to the right, and you can find a megaphone. Just click on it.
When things happen, we're very quick to assume that those things are our.
Alright, you can change for the strength of the effect. Alright,
When things happen, when things happen, when things happen, we're very quick to assume that those.
alright, if you are done, you are just going to click check mark. So here we go.
When things happen, we're very quick to assume that those things are our fault.
That's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much for watching.